Hi friends, today I am talking about an experience which you are experiencing every day. Now again I will tell you my basic premise that whatever I tell it is a story. There is no time, there is no space, there is no me, there is no you, there is no nothing. So whatever here or it's all story only. There is no me also. This is not my idea. Somewhere it has come and it is happening. And if you are hearing, then you have created it for your own benefit. I don't know what it is. For me, there is no you, no world, nothing. Okay. So that basic. Otherwise, tomorrow you should not complain. So, what is sleep? Every day you are experiencing sleep. Have you ever thought about that? What is sleep? You go on telling I slept on such and such time. I waked up at such and such time. I slept in the train. I slept in the bus. I slept on the road. I slept after getting totally intoxicated. Let me ask one simple question. For your own experience, you should tell honestly. I will need. I will request a honest reply. If you believe and continue to be in your belief system, I can't help. Have you ever, gone? Have you ever gone into sleep? That is maybe at night 10:15, 10:20 or 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. You decide. Okay, now I have seen this movie. Perfectly all right. I am in the waking state. Now, just like putting off the bulb light or putting off the TV. You have seen TV 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever. Whatever light. Your room there is a light. So now you decide. Okay, I will put off my light. Fan is not required because now it has become cold. These are all your experience, no? Am I telling anything nonsense? No. You are putting off TV. You are putting on TV. You are putting on fan. You are putting off fan. You are putting off everything and on and off refrigerator, everything, cooker, washing machine, all those things, computer. Like that, are you putting off your waking state? Did you ever have an experience of deciding, okay, my waking state, 10, 12 hours I had. So now there is no need for any waking state. So I will go to sleep state. Did you ever decide that? Did you ever decide? Can you exactly today you go to sleep, okay? And let me know the exact time at which you went to sleep. You need not tell me, just an experiment you do. This night anyway you will have to sleep, na? And after morning, next day morning, you try to find out the exact time at which you went to sleep. Oh my dear, you are in a weak and dangerous wicket. Anytime that wicket will go. You will be surprised to know that you cannot find out the time at which you went for sleep. It is your own experience. If you don't have any knowledge about your own experience, and then you talk so many things, astronomy, this thing, that thing, and you go on preaching others, and it is height of nonsense, isn't it? Unless and until you know exactly when you entered into sleep state, if you cannot tell, then what is that you can tell? Okay, that is, I will always go to your cognitive, perceptions and sensation, because that is the only capital we have got. We don't have anything else. We have got five senses. We are taking sensory perceptions, and there is a mind, it is processing, there is a brain, that is only artificial intelligence. It goes on, processes the sensations, and it goes on creating a software. It goes on, only these, two, three things we have got. So you should believe, and you should, examine those things only. Not your books, or, your neighbors, or your, teachers, or your priests, or your, no. Now you are not a small child. When you are a small child, okay, priest was having control, your parents were having control, your society was having. Now you have become mature. Na? I don't know whether you are mature or not, but if you are mature, you will agree that the only capital you have got is your five senses and the mind, so called mind, five senses, mind, everything is already I told again, I don't want to repeat that. So what you have got is only five senses, mind, and one brain which is processing. That's all, no? Without these things, you cannot experience anything. So I asked you to find out the exact time tomorrow morning when you get up. Find out when exactly at what time you went to sleep, and who decided to go or sleep. Did you decide, or sleep came to you? Now morning, you wake up, every day you are waking up, na? Who decided to wake up? Did you decide, okay, I have slept 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours now let me switch on, just like your fan or light or TV or computer. Every morning you are putting on, na? The moment you wake up, you put on so many things. Your computer, you will wake up. Your mobile, you will put into charger. So many things you are doing. Did you ever decide in any one of the days of your life that, okay, now I will wake up. I have had enough sleep. Was there you? Was it your decision? If that was your decision, many things would not have happened in your life. Many times you would have slept and the train would have gone beyond your destination. Many times you would have slept in the bus and the bus would have gone beyond your destination. Is it not your daily experience? Oh, my dear. Even your sleep and even your waking up are not decided by you. It is happening to you. I don't deny you because, anyway, this is a story. There is no you, but still, in the story, even in the story, you are not there. In reality, you are not there. Even in the story, you are not there. No, what a piquant situation here. Just imagine. Even in the story, you are not. In reality, you are not there. Okay, I am also not there. That is my position. You may or may not agree. But even in your own story, you are not there. You are not deciding when to go to sleep. You are not deciding when to get up. Now, waking up is also very fantastic. It can give you a lot of lessons. Now, you will agree that, you never decided to wake up. Something has woken up. We don't know. We may think that our body has woken up from sleep. That again is a story, belief system. Body is waking up only to throw out the shit which you have taken yesterday and to throw the urine which is accumulated. It's body's duty, body will do it. There is no need for you. That in one of my previous videos I have told. So waking up is also not in your hands. So that gives you a profound message. I think if you understand that message, you'll have to give your full attention here. This is a very, 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 very subtle message. Now you are not deciding to wake up. That means waking up means what? Waking up means something is happening. There is light, there is sound, and there is imagination, there is memory. All those, your prison springs up. Every day, Big Bang is happening, my dear. Every day. So the moment, your body wakes up, you are not waking up, your body wakes up. You immediately take control. Yeah. Before waking up, you are not there. Waking up is also not your decision. I think you will understand and you will admit that you never decided to wake up. It is the body which is waking up. Isn't it? I don't know. It is so simple, so simple. See, nobody can tell you more simpler than this. So you never decided to wake up. Your body decided because it wants to throw out the shit and urine. It is run by artificial intelligence here. It will run on its own. There is no need for you there. The moment your body gets up, your senses starts working. And I have already told you what senses are giving you. They are giving only firing to this artificial intelligence, not to you. You are unnecessarily putting a you in between. It is so clear. So clear. So the moment your body, gets up for clearing its shit and urine, the so-called you will come. Oh, I have got up. The so-called all-powerful I will run to the loo. Have you ever decided in the morning that, okay, Now get up. Now I will go to loo. Or I will only throw this much shit only, this much urine only, the other one I will perceive. I don't know what is your experience. You should answer from your own experience. Then you will have to again feed the body. Horrible, na? You see, you are caught up in such a. I don't know the words to. If you are in the body level, you will continue like this. Body will run its course, and you will run your story. They are like railway line. Body will go on its own way, and you will go on its own way. There is no relationship between these two. At no level there is a relationship. I don't know. I have got some insight. I am giving this insight to nobody. This insight has come to nobody. Why I am doing this also, I don't know. Just like shit and urine, this is also happening. Anyway, think about this. Think about sleep. Are you deciding to sleep? Are you aware about the time of entering into sleep? Are you deciding to get up in the morning? Are you aware about the exact timing of the getting up? Are you going to the loo on your own decision or volition, or is it really happening on its own? If there is a no loo or no thing, you will do it on the road, on the metro or wherever you are. Oh my dear, please come out. Get up. It is high time. All the best. Thank you.